I finished another puzzle bug. They are quick and easy. They're at Dollar Tree, made by Craze Art. They're okay. They're not the best quality on the planet, but it was nice. And yeah, it was fun, quick, easy. So there it is. Let's see if I don't think we can pick this up and show it to you. No. Heavens, no. I don't think that's gonna. Oh, no. That's not gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna do this. That's so cute. Super cute. And they're good in between ones when you want to break. And I've got 15 more to do, but some are for summer. There's one I don't want to do. I don't know why I bought one with coffee. I've never had coffee, never will have coffee, not interested in coffee, don't like the smell, don't like the look of it, don't nothing about it. So anyway, I got it. Okay. Well, let's get this put away. Then I gotta shortly go to the grocery store, get some birthday cookies. It's my birthday, I'm having a party. Having a party. I'm having a party. Happy birthday to me. So anyway, yes I am. Alright, well, I don't know what I'll get into next. I'm kind of just anxiously waiting because I want to start my Christmas puzzles, but not before Thanksgiving. No, one holiday at a time for this girl. So, see what we can do next. These Dollar Tree ones only take a couple of sittings, so that's the problem. They don't last long enough. They're super quick, super easy, and they're fun for maybe 3 hours or something, depending on the picture, 2.5, 3 hours. Yep. And I don't want to get into anything that's too time consuming and too hard. It's going to take more than a week because that way that wouldn't be good because I don't want it to overlap. Because I've got 4 to work for that. And I don't know if they're going to be easy or hard or what. So, okay. I'll see y'all later. Bye.